Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Foxit PDF Reader crashing on Windows. If Foxit PDF Reader keeps crashing, freezing, or closing automatically, don't worry. I'll show you several simple methods that can help solve the problem. First, completely close Foxit PDF Reader. If the application is frozen, press Ctrl plus Shift plus S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. In Task Manager, find Foxit PDF Reader, select it, and click End Task. This will force the application to close completely. Now try opening Foxit PDF Reader again. Sometimes the application crashes because it is stuck in the background, and ending the task can fix the issue. If Foxit still crashes, restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary Windows problems and background processes that may be causing the crash. After restarting, click the Foxit PDF Reader icon and select Run as administrator. This gives the program the required permissions and can solve crashing problems caused by restricted access. If the problem continues, the next step is to update Foxit PDF Reader. Open your web browser and go to the official Foxit website. Download the latest version of Foxit PDF Reader and install it. Running the latest version can fix bugs and compatibility issues. Another useful solution is to reinstall the application. Open Settings, go to Apps, and then Installed Apps. Find Foxit PDF Reader in the list, click the three dots next to it, and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions to remove the program. After uninstalling, restart your computer. Then download a fresh copy of Foxit PDF Reader from the official Foxit website and install it again. A clean installation often fixes corrupted program files that may be causing crashes. You should also check for Windows updates. Open Settings, click Windows Update, and select Check for Updates. Install any available updates and restart your computer if required. Finally, open Foxit PDF Reader again and test it by opening a PDF file. In most cases, ending the background process, running the program as administrator, reinstalling Foxit, and updating Windows will fix the crashing problem. That's it. These are the most effective methods to fix Foxit PDF Reader crashing on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.